Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steven with Cannin.com, and we're here to continue our learning trajectory on technical analyses. This week, the fundamental dives into GrowGeneration, the picks and shovel company of the cannabis industry, selling pots and fertilizer, soil, everything you need to grow. This is your one-stop shop. They have a lot of stores. Their ticker is GRWG, and we're gonna jump over to the pricing chart and see what we can learn on an indicator that someone else developed, not our work. So let's just jump over now. So you'll see GRWG. We're looking at our Hakanashi again. GrowGeneration. We'll scroll back. This price has had a lot of action. $4 down to $2, back up to $5. Recently, it's trading in the mid fours. So. A little bit of a sideways moving, but plenty of opportunity to take some big profit here. You can see the big increases and losses that it's had in the summertime of this year, while the rest of the cannabis industry has just been going down, down, down. And we're looking at an interesting wave trend oscillator down here that was developed by Lazy Bear. And so what we're going to actually look for is this green line. We're going to keep watching this green line and this red dotted line. We're going to watch for periods when they cross each other, but not just anywhere. We're not too concerned with these periods here in the middle towards the zero axis. We're looking at this red line and this green line, the overbought, oversold lines, these solid lines. Anything above and below, that's going to be the signal for this wave trend oscillator. So right here, it's a little hard to see. We're above, and we get a green crossing the red dotted line. That happens right here, and that's going to be a signal to sell. And look what happens. Huge take. Similarly, you can look right here. We're going to get another cross. So you can zoom in there. About October 14th, 15th is when we get the green line right here, crossing that red dotted line, and we're below the green line. And that would be a signal to buy. And look what happens. We get a nice move up from 363 to 460. So it's a pretty fantastic indicator to recognize reversals, and that's about it. So here's another clear signal. Above the red line, we're looking for that cross. Here's another one. Below the green line, we're looking for that cross. That would have been a nice little gain there, right, with that buy signal. Here's our sell signal. We would have caught a little bit of that one. This isn't the greatest example, but you can see just 3 or 4 opportunities, and it's really recognizing those reversing markets fantastically. So jump in here. We're not going to go into the math, but it is pretty basic. We've talked about each of the individual components on previous videos. But check out the wave trend oscillator. The code is freely available. We like to take it and tweak it, to improve it just a little bit. But at its fundamental level, it recognizes reversals fantastically. So enjoy, jump in, GrowGeneration. Thank you very much. Cannin.com.